Okay, I was trying to get to work, or we were trying to get to work, and somehow we just realized that we can't go to work. We need to turn around and go home.
It's only been
because
2 hours.
It's been 2.5 hours since we left home, and we're stuck on the highway.
3
We haven't
hours.
moved for the last 40 minutes, and let me show you what the situation is. So this is the famous 401 highway in Toronto. We haven't moved in the last 40 minutes at all. At least we're lucky that we are inside the tunnel, but look at that. People are out of their cars shoveling snow, clearing their windows, and it's crazy. The whole entire highway is on standstill. So I don't know how long is it gonna take us. We just need to go to the next exit so we can turn around and go home. But I don't think it's gonna happen soon. They say that this is a record-breaking snowfall for the last, I don't know how many years it is, from 1978. Wow, the weather in Canada, hey? That's another 40 minutes later. Still in the same spot. Never seen anything like that. So that's the express on 401, the collectors on 401. That's probably 5 lanes there, 4 lanes here, plus this lane. Everything is blocked, like completely. And as far as I can see, it's going way past the next exit. So looks like we are stuck. I wonder what happens if you need to go to the bathroom, like me. Alright, I don't know how much later, but we started moving a little bit. In total, we've been on the road for 4 hours now since we left home, and we're still nowhere. We're still trying to exit the highway, and before we got stuck in the tunnel, we couldn't exit 3 separate exits because they were blocked, and we kept going to the next exit, and we got stuck in the tunnel for, I don't know, maybe about 90 minutes there. Now we are moving, and my navigation system is telling me that the next exit is blocked too, so it's sending me to the one after, and I'm really hoping that that one is gonna be open so we can exit the highway, so we can go home. Like, we need to turn around, and we keep going in the wrong way, and we both need to go to the bathroom. Oh, by the way, my navigation just informed me that there's a heavy traffic report ahead. No shit. So look, this is part of the highway. This is a lane of the highway. Look how much snow it accumulated there. Of course, that's from the snow plows, but look at the side of the road. And nobody's moving, like none of the directions.
Let's take Highway 401 Collector West, Toronto. This is the fastest route despite unusual traffic on Highway 401 Collector West, causing a 31-minute delay.
I wish it was only 31. It's another hour later. We made it another, I don't know, maybe a kilometer. So the tunnel that we were stuck was under that bridge, and we made it a little bit further. So now the highway is going that way, and this is the exit. Everybody's trying to exit, and I don't know if the highway is closed. Some cars are going that way, but maybe I should try to go to the next exit, but I'm sure that it's gonna be the same thing. And here, look, and I can't even cross. This guy tried to cross, and he is stuck there now. Look at that. Everybody trying to cross this snowbank here. They're getting stuck. Snow plows are yelling at everybody. Well, at least they're snow plowing. on the express. What's with the horn? Well, that side of the highway is gonna get cleaned. But anyways, looks like everybody's moving, so let's move. Okay, they're plowing, but they're plowing the highway and we don't have access to it now. They're just creating more banks here, more snow banks, and now we are forced to exit. We can't even follow them on the highway. Anyways, our exit is here on Leslie, so hopefully we're gonna exit soon and I'm not going back on the highway whatever happens. I'm just gonna take the side roads home and make a fire and have a beer and watch a movie whenever I make it home. So what is it now? What time is it, babe?
It is 12:15.
12:15. So we've been for 5 hours and 15 minutes on the road. Great. Well, they didn't go that far. They plowed the highway there, but the car still got stuck behind the snowplow somewhere. So I'm glad we are exiting here. It doesn't go too fast, but at least we're moving. I'm hoping to be out of the highway soon. After 5 hours on the highway for how long? Maybe 30 kilometers, 40 kilometers, something like this. Yeah, it was fun in the beginning. Now it started getting annoying. What a waste of day. I could have done so much work on the GT6. So I posted a short video on YouTube and saying that this is the biggest snowstorm from 1978, and somebody actually said that there was a much more snow in 1999, like over 100 centimeters, and they called the army. The mayor of Toronto at that time, Mayo Lastman, called the army to help with plowing the snow. And I googled it, and yes, it's true, but that was accumulation of snow for over 2 weeks almost, or less, a little bit less than 2 weeks, from January 2nd to January 14th. So they had 100 centimeters and over of snow, but not in one day or a few hours, because now we have 30 centimeters in 4 or 5 hours. I don't know how long now. Actually, it's not snowing that bad, but in the morning it was crazy. So that's what Google said, because that's what you do when you're on the highway. Google things. Alright, we are off the highway. We are at the traffic light here to turn right, and just now this guy got stuck over there and we're not going anywhere. We wanted to turn right. Let me turn off my signal anyways. So the people going left are turning, but the people going right can't go anywhere. But what's funny is that over there, I don't know if you see them anymore, they disappeared. There, two guys in orange are plowing a snow with a snowblower. They're plowing a service road to exit the highway down for cars, and two cars just exited. But they were like SUVs. Okay, this guy moved, so now we can move. In town the situation is not much better, but at least we're moving. So now we can find a place to go and use bathroom. But look at this over there. There's a car parked in the middle of the road. Like, looks like somebody just abandoned it there and went home. Interesting. People getting stuck in the middle of the intersections. Pedestrians. Oh my god, I remember once I was stuck on a bus stop as a pedestrian before I got even my first car in Canada. It was the same thing, waiting for the bus for 3 hours, which never showed up. Interesting. There's another car over there. Abandoned. I wonder what this guy is thinking. Okay, let's go. Good thing we are all-wheel drive. Wow, my car just locked. We went to 20 kilometers per hour. Look at this guy. Look at this guy here. Oh my god. Well, that's a lot of snow, guys. I know that probably there was more snow in 1999, but not in 3 hours, 4 hours. Like this accumulated here in I don't know how many, maybe 5 hours. Whatever. Look at this. There's no sidewalks, people walking on the roads. Somebody else stuck here. The Jetta. Many more stuck here. Wow. Look at that. We're doing 50k. Woo! Hey! Okay, there's a plaza. Is there Tim Hortons here? Or that's a gas station? Shoppers. Is there a bathroom in Shoppers? What else? There's Tim Hortons, but it's on the gas station, I guess. Okay. Well, look at this. My girlfriend just went to the gas station to use the bathroom, but look at the cars that were parked, I guess, this morning here. They're never coming out. Look at this. Look at this snowbank here. It's a little bit tall. It's definitely a funny day. It's almost, I don't know, I think I'm gonna get home later than what I usually come home from work without even getting there. Well, that explains why there are no buses on the roads. They say on the radio that there's no buses in. Okay, I'm gonna have to make a U-turn. Not through the snowbank.
Guy's like, do I go or do I not go?
He's stuck, I think, but we can try. Didn't expect this from this car. All-wheel drive is a good thing to have. Nice. Another pile here. I should just leave my camera on. Okay, we're back on the highway, going home this time. Decided to try the highway, and it was a good choice because look at that, it's pretty much clean. And there's no cars. This is the first time I drive on this highway without cars. Even in the middle of the night, there's more cars than this. So we're doing well. Well, hopefully soon we're gonna be home. We're gonna pass by and pick up our kid from daycare because it's about this time. We had a full working day, but on the road instead of work. Alright, we picked up our kid and now we are on our way home again on the empty highway. We should be home in the next 10 minutes, but the big question is whether we can get on our driveway or not, because the snowplows, I'm expecting that the snowplows created like probably over a meter snowbanks on the both exits of my driveway. So let's see. Might need to snow blow before we even put the car on the driveway. Alright, we are on our road, so let's see what our driveway looks like. If we find it. Oh, here it is. On the left. Oh, there's not a big bank. We might be able to make it. We're home!
Yay!
So at least someone is enjoying the snow. Rusty, what is that? What's happening? You like it? Do you like the snow? Wow, it's a lot of snow, guys. It's crazy. Look at my truck. Now, here I had to uncover my snow blower and a plug that was on the wall that I accidentally covered with snow before this morning. So now we're gonna make it start eventually, and we're gonna plow our driveway, which is starting from there this way and comes out on the street again. That's gonna be fun. Someone else was enjoying the snow too.
I made a fort
Show us the fort.
right here.
Right here,
Yeah.
under the basketball hoop.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's basketball hoop, but
All right, guys. It's about like hour and a half later, and I have the driveway nicely cleaned, even here and everywhere. The truck wasn't covered, and it keeps snowing. So I guess by tomorrow morning I'm gonna have to do the same thing again. But at least now, if I need to go out, I can. And only the Jeep is not uncovered, but I can't do that. I'm super tired. So now I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna make fire in the fireplace, and I'm gonna enjoy. Actually, I just remembered I have a bottle of wine that Peter Kalijek, my friend, brought yesterday or the day before yesterday it was. And yeah, we're gonna enjoy a bottle of wine in front of the fireplace. It's been a day. And just as a perfect ending of this day, my car caught fire. Just kidding, yeah. That's the reflection. This is what caught fire.